Good morning, students. I hope that you all are fit and fine at home. Today, I am discussing the next topic, that is sublimation. Sublimation is a process in which a solid directly converts into the gaseous state or vice versa without converting into the liquid state. That means सॉलिड डायरेक्टली गैसेस स्टेट में कन्वर्ट होता है बिना लिक्विड स्टेट में कन्वर्ट हुए. दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज सब्लिमेशन. We have seen the ordonals in the toilets. When there is lot of bad smell, the ordonal directly convert from a solid state to the gaseous state. So in that case, we can say that shows sublimation. There are many substances. We use phenyl balls. Phenyl गोली हम use करते हैं during winters when we are keeping our woolen clothes back in the wooden block. We always keep the phenyl balls. That all phenyl balls, they are called naphthalene balls. It shows sublimation. Why it shows sublimation? Because it directly converts from a solid state to the gaseous state. Now this is the activity given, activity number 1.7. Figure 1.7 is given, sublimation of ammonium chloride, that is given on page number 8. Just see, for this activity of ammonium chloride is NH4Cl. I have written the formula on the board, NH4Cl. It is ammonium chloride. Fine. Ammonium chloride also shows sublimation. Now what we will do to conduct this activity of sublimation, we have to see the sublimation of ammonium chloride, how ammonium chloride directly convert from solid to gaseous state. For that we need few of the things. Now what is material required? This is a tripod stand. Next is split lamp, or we can take Bunsen burner for it. Fine. Now this is a china dish. Fine. We are taking little bit ammonium chloride in a china dish. This is NH4Cl in a china dish. Fine. Now we will put an inverted funnel. This is inverted funnel over this china dish and close the mouth of this funnel with a cotton plug. Fine. Now we start heating this split lamp or Bunsen burner. When we heat it, what we observe, after some time, the ammonium chloride directly from this china dish, directly we find the vapors of ammonium chloride rising up, and these vapors, because there is no space for these vapors to go out, because they are being closed by this cotton plug, these vapors get collected on the cooler portion of this funnel. This is the cooler portion of the funnel. Fine. After some time, what we observe, that these vapors again convert back into solid ammonium chloride. This is ammonium chloride solidified. Fine. That means when we are heating this ammonium chloride, we observe that ammonium chloride directly converts from a solid state and directly changes into the gaseous state. And again, after some time, this gaseous state, these vapors of ammonium chloride again cool down and convert back into solid ammonium chloride. Hence, we can say that sublimation is a process in which a solid directly converts from a solid state to the gaseous state and from gaseous state to solid state. That is known as sublimation. There are many substances which show sublimation. We can take camphor, we can take naphthalene, it is naphthalene. We can take anthracene, it is anthracene. We can take ammonium chloride. These all are the substances which directly convert from a solid state to the gaseous state. Hence, they all show sublimation. Fine.